What's good? It's about 6:30. We out here. We're a little hungry, so we're getting some food. I mean, I'm hungry, so we're getting some food. I'll show y'all what I get. But this place literally has everything, and we're going to the convenience store right now. So yeah. What's up, y'all? It's 11:30. Ever since we had breakfast, about bread, we just bread, milk and stuff, which is around 7:40. Now it's 11:30. So we're gonna do something else now. I'll take a few videos of it today. Yeah. So we getting lunch right now. My dad knows this place. It's a mystery. He doesn't even know where it is. But we're walking. What's good, y'all? We're at Gyeongguk University. This is where we're gonna chill for a bit. What's up, gang? We just kind of went on a Foot Locker and tried some clothes on. My foot is too damn wide for any shoe. I made every shoe look like a dad shoe. Yeah. Oh yeah, but we were shopping around. Dude, I was at the Nike store and the guy was following me around the whole time. Felt terrible. Felt weird, dude. So y'all, we've been walking around for a while. My dad and my sister are gonna do an escape room. I think me and my mom are gonna get massages. What's good, y'all? The reason we left is the escape room itself is a cafe too, and you have to buy a drink to get in. And the cheapest drink is $5 for an Americano. Hell no.
미니 반지가 아주
나는 쇼를 알아야지 재밌게 할 수 있지.
다음 주가 할 거야. 왜냐면 크로와상이라는 게
What's good, everyone? I'm pretty sweaty and out of breath right now because I ran. I was coming up the train station. They had an event for New Balance. And you have to, I can't speak. It's like, they had a bunch of treadmills set up. And you get to where the New Balance 840s and you have to run 840 meters. I couldn't get the 840 meters because I had to go. But that's why I'm so sweaty. We're at Hanggang right now. And if you know anything about Korea, you probably know this place. There's a few camps set up here. And this is where many people, this is like the Central Park of Seoul. And there's a nice river right there. It's a nice chill spot. And you can get all the any food you want delivered here. So we're just gonna chill here for a bit. Yuksan building is right there. And yeah, we're just gonna chill.
운동 화면에 나오는 그 초록색
These are government drones, by the way.
One day, yeah. I don't really for sure, but in the morning you walk. Oh, like you. Which 어디가 더
My wife is here, so.
Hey guys, we're heading out. It's about pretty late. We met this Australian couple. We talked for like about an hour, and my sister and their kids played together, which was kind of crazy. I think I've met more foreigners here than I have ever in America, and it's been a great experience coming to Hangang.
예전에는 여기 애기 땅콩이 빌딩이 제일 높았는데. 아따 우리가 진짜 아깝다. 저는 조사자가 잘 따라가고 올라가고 밤마다 양갱을 보고. 이름 적는 거 같아요. 여기잖아. 버스에 이름 붙이니까 여기잖아. 건너편에서 뭐 박는 거. 신천에서 홍원이로 어제 지나가지고 하늘 되게 이쁜 다리까지.
이 불이 다 하나씩 살면서
맨날 밤마다 이 길을 지나면
이거 어떻게 잠겨? 비만이 와서?
왜냐면 저기 많이 붙었잖아 안에.
아주 들어가기도 어려워요. 저.
간이 진짜.
놀래갖고.
비디오 올릴 테니까 영원히 볼 수 있어.
엄청 멋있다. 그 라이트가 위아래로 올라갔다 내려갔다 되게 저건 진짜.
그때 이 근처에 계셨나 보네.
네, 일하다가 지나가다가 봤는데
멋있다. 저거 브릿 저기 그 서울 저 타워 들어가고 저 맨 위에 있는 다리 지나가고 하는데 1인당 한 10만 원 넘더라고요. 하루 소화. 근데 와.
10년 전 부산인데 10년 전이야. SK 임팩트가 너무 강해서.
Let's go, yo. Just got back to our place. We're all very tired. And we got some Gatorade right here. Refuel and recharge. But now we're gonna go to sleep. Thanks for watching.